All right, so welcome back. I am Jason Yarusi of Yarusi Holdings. We're a multifamily investment firm here in Nashville, Tennessee. Today we're going to talk about the key roles, the key people within a multifamily syndication. So ultimately, just a little bit about us. We started investing back in 2016 in the multifamily space. Since then, over the course of the last 5-6 years, we've now acquired over 1,600 units in about 6 states, valued close to about $180 million. So today we're going to talk about the key roles in a multifamily syndication. But if you like what you get here, please go down there, hit that like and subscribe button, follow us for more so we can get alerted when we have more coming up, and make sure to give us a rating and review. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love your feedback. All right, so let's dive in. So key roles within a syndication. Ultimately, you have both your internal and your external team. Your internal team for a multifamily syndication, and some of these roles might be handled by the same person, or all these roles can be handled by the same person. They're going to include the deal finder, the person who goes out there and finds the deal. It's going to be the person who underwrites the deal. Also, the person to do the due diligence. Basically, you'll have the financial and the physical inspection of the property. Past that, there's going to be capital raising, the person who is going to go out there and find investors who will want to align on this investment. Next, there's going to be the loan guarantor, the person who will be the sponsor on the deal, who will have the balance sheet and the net worth to be able to sign onto this loan. And lastly, you will have asset management, for which will be your internal team. Beyond that, you're also going to have your limited partners. Those are going to be investors who come in here that are seeking different types of assets to get returns from. And then from your external team, there could be a number of different players, but those could be your property manager, could also be the broker you're going to work with, can be your insurance agent, your cost segregation person, your construction management, various contractor trades, different contracts that you may engage with, whether it be cable contracts, laundry contracts, a bunch of different external parts. But again, it's going to get back to you. To get to that stage, you're going to need your internal team. Your internal team is going to make out the person who's going to really get out there and dig to find these deals. That person is going to take action to get in front of the right opportunities. It's going to be the person that's going to assess the opportunity, the one's going to dive into the numbers, do the analysis, do the underwriting to understand what this deal potentially can do, and forecasting forward what this deal could do into the future. Next, it's going to be the person that's going to do the due diligence on the property. And that will be both the financial, so going through lease audits, going through bank statements, going through all the pieces of the puzzle, and then also the physical inspection, going to the property, seeing the condition of the property, both exterior and interior units, to review how your CapEx plan will align. Next is going to be asset management. The one is going to talk with the team to make sure that the goals of the team are implemented across the property using the property management company. Then you will have the loan guarantor. This could be many different members, or it could be one standalone member that's going to sign the debt because they have the balance sheet to be able to afford to sign onto this loan as the guarantor, or one of the members that the bank will qualify, deemed potentially plausible to be signing onto this loan for the property. And lastly will be your investor relations or capital raiser, the person who goes out there and sources the capital to bring investors into this opportunity. All right, so that's what makes up your multifamily investment team. Again, go down there, hit that like and follow button. Make sure you're ready so the next time this comes up, you're fully alerted. I'm Jason Yarusi of Yarusi Holdings. You can find more about us at yarusiholdings.com. Let's do this.